All right, investors and traders. Today, let's consider one very interesting stock. It's Alibaba, Chinese company with the ticker BABA. The stock gained more than 20% from 24th of September. If we look at these Japanese candles, we see the significant upside based on the fact that Chinese government decided to boost the stock market. First, they lowered the interest rate, and second, they lowered the minimum reserve requirements for banks, releasing excess liquidity. This is great news for the stock market, and banks started buying stocks, boosting the stock market overall. So to analyze this share very quickly, let's say you don't have a lot of time, but you want to buy this share for the shorter term and you want to know what would be your stop loss and take profit. The take profit, the level at which you sell with profit, and stop loss where you sell with loss. Let's say the stock is falling and you don't want to lose a lot, and then you decide at which level you want to sell the stock. For that, you establish the stop loss for your stock. For this, we're going to be using very simple tool called Stock Analyzer. This is Google Chrome extension. You can go to Chrome Web Store and install this Stock Analyzer Chrome extension to your browser. So once installed, go to your charting tool. If you're using Interactive Brokers Trading Terminal, you can use their charting tool, for example, or you can use any other tool. There are plenty of tools on the market just to see the BABA stock and their chart with candles, Japanese candles with the timing. And now you open your Chrome extension like I did, you will see something similar like this. Now, to use this extension, you will need your custom API key. To get your custom API key, click here on this button, get your custom API key, then register with the financial modeling prep. They provide great endpoints, wide data coverage, and great customer support. So you can use the API, and we will be using the great API endpoint to calculate the stop loss and take profit. So once you get the API key, just put this API key here, as I did in my example. You will have your unique key, and then put the stock ticker. For Alibaba, the stock ticker is BABA, then press calculate. As you can see, the stock has great growth potential with the target price 392 and the current market price 107. But for this video, we'll need the stop loss and take profit. As you can see, the stop loss, the level at which you sell with loss, is 94, and take profit 127. This is for conservative investors. If you bought the stock short term and you don't want to lose a lot when the stock will be falling, this is your optimal selling point, 94, and this is your optimal point to take profit, 127. So we can see it in the graph. 94 is somewhere here, and 127, let's enlarge it a little bit, 127. So this would be your trading corridor. Somewhere here you would sell with profit, and somewhere here you can sell with loss. But sometimes it's even better to compare with support and resistance levels. You can see over here we had very strong support point, which was resistance, and then stock couldn't overpass this level for a very long time, probably 100, and now close to 100. Somewhere here, this would be the resistance point, but finally the stock managed to break this resistance point. And now if it breaks this support point, now it became the support point for the stock. If it breaks it and goes slightly lower at 94, this would be your optimal time to sell the stock. Now in this case, it correlates closely, has good positive correlation with the support level. As you can see, our sell level is close to support level. Always pay attention to this. And here how you can calculate your support, stop loss, and take profit level quickly without manual calculations. Just use this free Chrome extension, and I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching.